Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with the Kid. It's good to be back. I feel better, I'm doing better. Thank you for all your prayers and concern. We're back at it today, and due to the Patreon contributions and our PayPal contributions, we've been able to purchase a brand new Griddle flat top for our Pit Boss smoker. So what we're going to do with that today is we're going to make something very simple for the maiden voyage of the flat top. I'm going to take and make some steak, onion, and cheese quesadillas for our flat top. So that's what we're going to do. Stick with us if you will. We've got some lime, we're going to marinate it. We've got some steak we're going to cut up and put on the quesadillas with some cheese and some sauteed onion. So it's going to be good. It's going to be simple. And you may change up your recipe. You may do all kind of other things to yours. This is what we're doing today on Cooking with the Kid. Stick with us if you will. Okay, I've added some vegetable oil. I've added some lime zest. I'm going to add some lime juice. And I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some taco seasoning, regular taco seasoning, and I'm going to add some of that to the marinade. Okay. Like I said, I've got some lime zest, some lime juice, some vegetable oil. Like I said, I've got some lime juice, some lime zest, some vegetable oil, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and we're going to pour that right over the top of our steak. All right, I'm going to stir that together. Let that kind of sit. We'll add some more flavor to it. I'm going to add a little salt and a little pepper. So some salt, some pepper, and of course it's salt and pepper to taste. Everybody's tastes are different. Everybody likes different flavors. So we'll get this all mixed together. You can really smell the lime juice. Hit it with a little more lime juice. And that lime zest. All right, we're going to put that aside, and I'm going to cut up 1 onion. Okay, I'm getting the griddle ready for the first time. So I'm going to clean it, I'm going to oil it. Then we're first going to cook our onions, kind of sweat those down a little bit, push those off to the side. And then we're going to cook our beef, and we'll oil the grill, put those on there, and then when the beef is done, it won't take long to cook. We'll take that up, and then we will start laying our quesadilla. So we're going to put a little oil down when we go to cook the quesadilla. We're going to put oil down, and then butter, a little bit of butter, and then we're going to lay the tortilla down. Put our cheese, some beef, some onions on half, and then flip it. Don't worry about the smoke, that clears up. Okay. So we're going to start with a little bit of vegetable oil. Put our onions on. Okay, we're just going to sweat those down a little bit. And take just a little bit to sweat them down. I'm only running it at about 250. You're supposed to run it up at about 350. But as you can see, it's plenty hot. I'll let those cook down and I'll bring you back. They're still cooking. I want to take this opportunity again to thank each one that contribute to the channel that made it possible to purchase this flat top. I've been wanting one for a while, and we're going to be able to do a lot of new dishes with this, so very appreciative. Okay, the grill is really hot. This grill is hot, so that's not taking long at all. You can really smell the lime juice, lime zest, the seasoning. What I'm going to do next, and I'm going to go get some lime juice and a little bit more of the taco seasoning and add it to it. I'm going to add a little bit more of the taco seasoning. Just a little bit. And I'm going to add some more lime juice. I'm going to stir it up, give it just a little bit longer to absorb that juice, and we'll take it up, clean the grill, and we'll start making our quesadillas. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put some vegetable oil. You could use olive oil, you could use your oil of your choice. I'm going to put that on there. That's going to keep the butter from burning. I'm going to take some butter, put that on there, like a large tortilla, put it on there. I'm going to take some cheese. Now this is Mexican blend, Kraft Mexican blend. Take some of that steak. Cooked. Load it up on there. I'm going to take some of the onion. I'm going to take some of that cooked onion, put that on top. I'm going to take my spatula, flip the top over. Now, of course, you could add more cheese if you wanted to. You just want to get all that melted together and get the outside of it crispy. Get all that melted together. just like that. All right, everybody, there it is. Steak, onion, and cheese quesadilla. Like I said, everybody changes theirs. It's different, but this is how we like it. First maiden voyage on the flat top on the smoker. Turned out really good. Again, thank you for watching. Thank you all you Patreons, all of our PayPal contributors, and all of you that just watch the videos. It's all important. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more updates, and ring that bell so you'll know when we're live and when we post a video. Again, thanks for watching Cooking with the Kid, and you do it your way. This is our way, and we'll see you later. Goodbye.